Keeps your pneumatic and air tools neat and organized. Includes 10 slots specifically designed to fit the quick coupler end of your air-powered and pneumatic tools. Locks the tools in place, requiring a 90-degree lift to release. Perfect for installation in enclosed trailers and race trailers, as well as in a home garage or shop. Heavy-duty aluminum construction with a clean, attractive finish. Keep your pneumatic and air tools organized with the Extreme Max Pneumatic Air Tool Rack Holder. With 10 slots specifically designed to fit the quick coupler end of your air-powered tools, the holder locks the tools in place and requires a 90-degree lift to release. This locking style is perfect for installation in enclosed trailers and race trailers, as well as in a home garage or shop. The holder features a heavy-duty aluminum construction with a clean, attractive finish, adding an eye-catching design that accents nearly any shop, garage, or enclosed trailer. The holder contains pre-drilled mounting screw holes for ease of installation. Due to the variety of surfaces to which the holder may be mounted, mounting hardware is not included. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect air tool storage. Great way to store all of your air tools. Gets them off the floor or shelf and within reach when you need them. Sturdy with no bending when filled. I added a 1/2 piece of plywood under it to not get grease or dirt on the shop walls. Well worth the money.